Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another review. As you know, I often receive proposals to review different products. Sometimes I accept them and sometimes I don't. It really depends on wherever the product fits the channel and brings something interesting to you or not. There are items that simply don't make sense here, but every now and then something comes along that makes me stop, think and feel challenged. And today's product is exactly that. The reason why I decided to accept this review, first because we're in holiday season and I'm also taking a few days off, and second because I found this backpack truly different and worth sharing. So this is the WATERFLY Neto Pro Kung Fu Sport Backpack, a pretty cool and long name, and they promise to be quite different from what we're all used to be seeing. So without a further delay, let's dive in. So, and as we can see, the backpack comes inside of a small fabric bag, let's put it that way. On the front we can see the WATERFLY branding, company established in 2013, and on the back there's a reference to the Shaolin. Now Shaolin usually relates to Kung Fu, a symbol of discipline and tradition. This could suggest that the backpack is designed with high quality in mind. We'll find out as we go further into this review. So right here down below we can see Shaolin once again, this time nicely embroidered, and just up there's also what's look like a genuine brand tag, basically showing that this is a real product and not a replica. All the brand details are right here on this label, adding that extra touch of credibility to the backpack. We can also spot WATERFLY branding again on this small front pocket, which has a kind of 3D effect, and also right in the center of the backpack we can also see the WATERFLY logo again, along with the Shaolin symbol once more, and a nod to the Shaolin games as well. Alright, starting with the backpack, some features. At the top we have this flap with a click closure. As you can see here, instead of a regular zipper, it has this roll top design, which means to close the backpack you actually roll the flap and secure it with this plastic clip. Unlike a standard zipper that's fixed, with this system you can adjust the closure depending how much you have inside the backpack. Just roll it and clip it and it's done. Next, on the front we have a pocket with a regular zipper. As you can see, it's nothing fancy, but it does offer a bit of extra space for small items. And we also have these elastic straps, which can be used to carry extra gear on outside of the backpack. Very handy for things you want to attach externally. On the back we start with this small pocket, which is clearly designed for carrying things like your phone. Even though it has velcro, there's also this small safety clip to keep it secure. The nice thing is that removable, so you can use it elsewhere on the backpack or even carry it separately. Still, on the back of the backpack we have two pockets, a smaller one on the left side, as you can see here, and a slightly larger one on the right. These pockets are lined with a kind of plastic, which makes me believe, and it's safe to say, they are water resistant, protecting your items from splashes or moisture. The right side pocket is really big and is designed to carry a tablet or even a smaller laptop. As you can see here from this symbol, it's clearly meant for tablets, iPads or even larger tablets, at least 10 inches or more. Continuing on the back, we can see that the backpack has several padded areas. These gray sections are all cushioned, which means the backpack should be really comfortable to carry. And there's also a rigid panel, as you can hear by the sound, which provides extra protection for all your gear. Special items in the large right side pocket, like tablets or other devices sitting directly under this are protection. And before we dive into the inside, I just want to make a quick statement. We can clearly see that the Pro edition of this backpack is really well built. It's made from tough, high-density fabric with precise reinforced stitching, which make me think it is super durable. But we're gonna try it and see that later. To get inside of this backpack, we open it from the back. It has a double zipper, also coated with plastic, which make me think, or we can say it is water resistant as well. As you can see here, you can unzip each side separately, so it basically splits into two, giving you a clear view of all of the compartments inside. Inside we start with this first compartment, perfect or designed special for a laptop. Then on the left there's a smaller one, as you can see from the symbol, ideal for a pen or something similar. We also have these two mesh pockets for carrying multiple items, plus a zippered pocket for extra storage. There's even a small hook for things you want to keep extra secure so they don't move around. And at the back there's a strap to hold something like a jacket or anything you don't want to bouncing inside the bag, and also a teeny pocket for keys or other smaller items you don't want to lose inside the backpack. As you can see, the interior is also really spacious. In fact, the whole backpack is packed with hidden and multiple compartments, making it perfect for keeping everything organized. The best part is that everything inside is protected by this water-resistant zipper, keeping your items safe from spills and moisture. Now that we've gone through most of the backpack, it's time to hit the road. I'm going to pack with all that gear I usually carry, or at least part of it, and together with my wife, we'll take it for a spin to see if it's really comfortable and can carry everything I need on a trip or a walk, and I'll give you my feedback at the end of the video. So let's go. And with all packed up, let's go. And we can't forget about the safety, so we have two clips for extra security, one on the top and one on the bottom. So, to sum it up this review, this backpack is definitely interesting. The Shaolin theme will obviously appeal to Kung Fu fans, or Karate fans, or martial art fans, but even if you're a regular user who doesn't care about martial arts, Kung Fu or Shaolin, it is a solid backpack because of its features. It is extremely well built, with an amazing quality in both the fabric and the stitching. The zippers are water resistant, making it perfect for adventures, and one of my favorite things is the well designed compartments clearly marked for the type of gear you can carry. It's comfortable and ergonomic, especially around the shoulders and neck, and the heavily pedaled back makes carrying it really easy. Beyond that, it's a unique backpack, not your average bag, which is why I accept this review. That said, it's on the pricey side. At the time of this review it cost almost $200, which may be too much for some people, but for adventurers, outdoor enthusiasts, hikers or campers looking for a high quality, well-built backpack, this is definitely extremely well constructed, super comfortable and highly ergonomic. So if we forget about the price for a moment, I totally recommend this backpack. So if you wanna buy one of these backpacks, I leave you the link in the description below. As always, thank you for watching. I hope I can see you in the next one.